Adding a detail group to a model space group. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a model space group, then add detail groups to it. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So first thing we want to do is work within a project file. So we have this nice bathroom here. We're going to go ahead and group it. Just select all, just do a window and select everything. Then we come over to the create little tab and click create group, or we can just hit GP. That'll group everything that we currently have selected. In that we'll have two names here. A couple of things we have selected are some detail groups, which are some ADA symbols. So we're going to call this detail group ADA. We're going to call it ADA. I know we are. There we go. Okay, now that we've created that group, let's go look at that for a second. In the Groups tab here, we'll see the group. And because I had the little ADA symbols, there's a detail group within it. Okay, that's one detail group made, right? All right, so, but what I want to do is actually make a couple more. But to do that, I want to actually work it outside of this main project. So to do that, I go ahead and save as something and save the group out. And what it does is create a new project, a bare bones project, nothing in it but the model components that we just grouped together. Okay. Now that we've created this model group, I want to go ahead and open it and make some modifications to it. So go open and go ahead and open that group. So here we are. We're in the model group. It's a whole nother project that has its own set of views. Speaking of views, here's that ADA group. When we did that, we add those detailed components, it made its own view. Okay, so we're going to actually duplicate that. We're going to make two more views because we want two more detail groups. So duplicate without detailing, so just the first one, because we already have the details group for that one. So I'm going to make two of these. I'm going to do one for notes and one for dimensions. So I'll rename this to notes real quick. And rename this one to dimensions. Since we are in the notes view, let's go ahead and add a couple of notes in here. All right. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is a bare bones, and I didn't have that keynote symbol loaded into this project. So I'm going to go ahead and load this in. And just attach a couple of notes in here, just for examples. Okay. Note. At this point, don't worry about the graphics of the leaders, because when you bring this into your project, this model group, the leaders and all that will take on the properties of the notes that are in your project. So again, don't worry about some of this graphic information. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the same thing for some dimensions. Throw a couple in here, like this 5 foot clear dimension. And we're going to go ahead and also add in a clearance between the stud walls. Okay. Now we've created a dimension group. Now that we've done that, put a couple of small things in there, let's go ahead and just close this and load this project load this group back into my project. So save that, and we'll come back and load that group. So go to the Insert tab, load as group, and select the group that we just made, or just edited, I should say, not made. And find whatever. That was our keynote thing. Following groups have been, yes, we know this, we want that. Because now when we come over here to the Groups tab, we'll see that there are now 2 more groups within that project. So 2 more detail groups embedded within the model group. Also, to show that off, we'll select that model group that we had. And then when we hit the attached detail groups, we'll see that the ADA dimensions and notes are all there. So we'll make that change. So I hope this short video has helped you understand how to create detail groups within model groups. Thank you.